Check it out, guys. 2016 Ram with a HEMI 6.4 liter Ram 2500 4x4. I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Again. So it's right at 87.4. Again. All right. 88. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it after we finish it. On this Ram 2500, it's got a resonator off the back, a tailpipe, 3-inch all the way through. And then it's also got, look at this gigantic muffler, guys. Sucker's huge. So on the older ones, the newer ones, they dual them all the way out. But on the older ones, they had a cat here, another cat there, then it wides into a single there. And then it's 3.5-inch pipe into a massive muffler, as you guys can see right there. Massive tailpipe, and then there's the resonator there. So we're gonna delete that resonator, put a 5-inch tip there, and a vibrant ultra quiet right there in its place. There's the vibrant right here. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, straight through design. If you guys wonder what it looks like, there it is. There'll be a part number in the description for it if you guys want to purchase one. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys see it after. So you guys saw what it sounds like before and looks before on this Ram 2500 HD 6.4 liter HEMI. Let me show you guys what we done after. So still got the factory converter there, secondary another converter there, then it winds into a single there, and then 3.5-inch pipe goes into a vibrant ultra quiet, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. That's what the box looks like. There'll be a part number in the description for it. And then we added 3-inch pipe. And why you guys always ask us why you don't do 3.5? Our bender, they can only bend 3-inch pipe. That's the biggest we can bend. We cannot bend 3.5. This is all mandrel bent. So if you guys don't know, now you know. That's why we put 3-inch, not 3.5. And we can't just get 3.5 little pieces and piece it together. It's gonna look like crap. That's why we have to do it in 3-inch, which doesn't do much, you know, in cuts down on like flow or whatever, because the muffler itself is very, very restrictive. So that's why, even though we changed it, this is a straight through flow vibrant, so it opened it up drastically compared to what it had on it with the restriction from the stock muffler. So anybody who says, oh, you put 3-inch, what are you doing choking it down? No, we didn't choke it down. Anyways, 3.5-inch tailpipe, and then we took the resonator off that was choking it down also, and put a pipe in its place, and installed a 5-inch rolled by 18 stainless steel tip. So there's the resonator and tailpipe that was on it. There's that humongous muffler that was choking it right there. So between the weight reduction and the flow is gonna make a huge difference on this beautiful truck. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Much better. Make your day. All right. That sounds so much better. Your sound decibels again. Right at 107. That's perfect. It was what, 87 before, I think? The highest? Yeah, the highest. 88 was the peak. Oh, it's such a clean tone. I like it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. That sounds so clean. You guys approve? All right. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. let you guys hear what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Again. So it's right at 87.4. Again. All right. 88. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it after we finish it. Much better. Make your day? All right. That sounds so much better. Your sound decibels? Again? Right at 107. That's perfect. It was what, 87 before, I think? The highest? Yeah, the highest. 88 was the peak. Oh, it's such a clean tone. I like it. Such a 4-liter. Oh, much better. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. It peaked at 116. Again. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Come get you some, right? Ram 2500 HD, 6.4 liter HEMI. What a beast. I wanted one of these trucks, guys, if you didn't know, before I bought my Ram 1500, but they were asking like 20 grand more. What do you guys think of that sound? I think it sounds phenomenal. Enjoy, guys. Wow.